is our garden. You can see beautiful garden, and we have a car park here. Ayan po, meron kaming cat dito pero hindi yan sa amin. Akyat po tayo sa aking terrace sa may second floor. Pasensya na po, ako yung object ni Daddy ngayon dahil nag-practice siyang mag-drone. Ayan, ito yung view ng aking balcony. Connecting yan sa aking master bedroom. Ito po yung buong picture ng harapan. Andito pala ang aking sister-in-law, si Nanggi Anusia. Yan, pasok po tayo. Ito po yung hagdanan namin papuntang second floor. Pero dito muna tayo sa living room area namin. Simple lang po. Yung parang kita mo ang daming table. Yung naka-green po, ano yan, freezer po yan. Tinakpan ko lang ng cloth. Yan, may mga liit na table kasi minsan ayaw namin kumain sa long table. Dito kami sa maliliit na table. Ito po, maraming mga ganyan guys kasi kakatapos lang ng party namin. Tapos ito lang yung collection ko guys. Yung collection na naka-display kasi tinatago ko yung mga gamit ko. Meron kaming wash area dito guys para diretsong maghugas before kakain. Meron din kaming 2 rooms dito sa baba guys and 1 bathroom. Tapos ito yung aming very busy kitchen guys. Andito yung mga ganap. Andito rin yung washing para pag nagluluto ka, at the same time nagwa-wash. Actually guys, wala kaming time na mag-internal decoration, ganyan. Kasi sobrang busy kami. Mas mabuti pang nagkakarpintero kami. Nag-assemble. Yan. Dito na pala tayo sa ating second floor guys. Yan yung view dito. Simple lang. Favorite pala naming tambayan dito guys kasi sobrang mahangin. Kahit wala ng aircon, sa gabi lang kami nag-aircon dito. Gustong gusto ko rin pala na may balcony para hindi mahirap maglinis. Ayan, ito po ang aking view. Dito po ako nagmuni-muni minsan, nanonood, nakikitingin. Wala lang. Dito pala sa second floor, meron kaming 3 rooms dito at saka 2 bathrooms. Ito din yung room namin ni Daddy. Ito yung upuan ni King and Queen. Yan guys, wala pa kaming masyadong kolorete. Baka pag magbakasyon ako ng sobrang tagal, yan, papagandahin ko na yan. Ngayon, wag muna. This is the attached balcony in our master bedroom. And this is the view over there. And also here we have small balcony, pocket balcony by Sandara, and we have built-in covered. This is our master bedroom. Bathroom. Now we go to room number 4. Able. Hi. This is Samantha's room. And she has also a pocket balcony.
I think that music is copyright.
Hmm?
The one that
And we'll go to
Maria.
the common toilet. This is
Maria looks so bad. Why do you think it sucks?
very simple toilet but look elegant. Room number 5 is Sandara. Hello guys. This Wilmas kitchen. This is one of our rooms. Actually, we have 7 rooms in this house. And you have a balcony over here. And we have big windows with net. So, goodbye mosquito. And air conditioned room.
It is.
And there is a common bathroom over here with this room. And this is our living area.